guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. I am doing good. Came back from a small shopping, went to the supermarket, social distancing. Really happy that things are being handled really in a very professional way. Most of the places I think it's happening, going good. We are really getting used to face masks, social distancing, hand sanitizers, planning our shopping. In this video, I am going to talk about Arogya Setu app. I had made a video in Hindi few days back. So in this video, I'll clarify few things. It was initially developed and promoted by the government of India portals and even by our Prime Minister. Now it's being promoted in much bigger way. Many celebrities are telling to install it.
सर आप कौन? सर मैं आपका नया बॉडीगार्ड सेतु।
सेतु? लेकिन मेरे पास तो ऑलरेडी बॉडीगार्ड्स हैं। सर मैं एक अलग टाइप का बॉडीगार्ड हूँ। कोरोना वायरस से आपकी बॉडी को सिर्फ सेतु ही गार्ड कर सकता है। कोरोना वायरस से
I installed it voluntarily just to understand what the app is and how things are going to go. And today I read a news that it is going to be mandatory. It is going to be mandatory for all the employees, whether you are working in the private sector or in the public sector. Many things would get integrated into this app. For example, ePass. There is a tab for ePass. So in this video, I'll talk about ePass, why is it mandatory, what are the advantages of using this app, and how this app work. And most of the things what I know, the app is not really 100% complete, so things are being updated very frequently, data is being analyzed and many bugs are being sorted out. So let me talk about this. Whatever I could understand from this app, I'll share all these things, and maybe I'll be making future videos on this app and keep you guys updated. Now the first question, what is this Arogya Setu app? Arogya Setu app is an initiative by the government of India. It is basically to track where you are going, track your health information, send you alerts related to information where you are staying, local information, so that you are aware of what's happening. Suppose there's a positive case or there's a bulk positive case near your place, you would be alerted and you would be told not to move to those places, and it would be sort of a communication with you, tracking where you are going, alerting you if there is somebody or a potential case near you. This is an initiative by the government of India. Is it available for both iOS and Android? Yes, it is available for both iOS and Android. The link for downloading and installing this app is provided in the description. You can check that. It is available in Google Play Store as well as iOS App Store. You can download it. How much does this cost? It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. There is no subscription. It's absolutely free. What are the important settings of this app? Here comes the very important part. See, this app is using the GPS, the location and your Bluetooth to track where you are going, whom you are contacting with, and collect information and analyze. So it is very important that you share your location always. It's not, there would be different settings for iOS and Android. In iOS, you need to enable that you are sharing this location all the time, and your Bluetooth is always on, because it will be tracking where you are going. It would be analyzing information or data around your location and giving you updates. So it is mandatory to share your location, and Bluetooth should be enabled. Bluetooth and GPS technologies would be used to analyze different information like your location, distance between two individuals, to analyze data and send you alerts. Now, what are the advantages of this app? This app is something which is important for all of us, something which is important for the government to take care of us. It would be used for, firstly, to collect data, secondly, for contact tracing. Now, suppose for example, today I went to the supermarket. I had my Arogya Setu app installed and it was sharing my location, everything was there. Suppose somebody is tested positive after say 3-4 days, and the person who is tested positive was using Arogya Setu app, and suppose he was present when I was there, then they would contact me and say that, see, there is a potential case, a person had come to the same supermarket when you were there, so you have to be careful. We need to collect your sample, you need to go for quarantine, you need to isolate yourself, you need to take care of this. So this is what they would be doing using this app. Another one use would be, suppose you are in a public place and you get an alert that there is somebody nearby who is a very potential threat, or he is a possible positive case, so be careful. That is also something which could be possible. I think that would be one of the uses, which, because I am sharing my data, I am testing myself, I am giving information that if I am going to travel, or whether I have traveled, or have I tested positive. Suppose I test positive, I should immediately update this app. That is also very important. See, a app would work, or a software would work well only if the data are updated properly. Suppose I am having some symptoms like cough or fever, immediately I should update the symptoms into the app. There is a provision for that. Another important thing would be related to e-pass. E-pass is something for, it's a permission sort of thing for you to travel. So there's a tab in this where e-pass is given. I don't find any option to apply for e-pass. As of now, applying for e-pass is through the portals, and once the e-pass is issued, it will be available in this app. I think in future the e-pass would be applied using the Arogya Setu app. Is it mandatory to use the Arogya Setu app? As of today, it is mandatory for all the employees to install this Arogya Setu app. So if you are working somewhere, you are an employee, and it is the responsibility of the employer to make sure that you are using the Arogya Setu app. All the private and public sector employees have to use Arogya Setu app. So the move is like very smart move by the government of India. Every employer takes the responsibility to make sure that the employee is installing the Arogya Setu app. So it would become a mandatory condition for installing the Arogya Setu app. The biggest question is, how far would this app be effective to detect the potential threat, or give the right data? See, every application, every app, or every program needs data, needs testing, and over a period of time things would improve. So I feel that this would really be the future. Many countries in the world have already started using this kind of app. This is not the first time in the world. It's being done in many countries like China, US. They have already started using these kind of apps to contact trace. So it would be the future, I feel, because manually doing contact tracing and manually maintaining data, sharing data would become very difficult. Now once they have these kind of data in a central server, it can be used to take decisions very fast by the government. They can understand, okay, this area is red zone, so many infections are there in this particular place, so they can take decisions very fast. Final question, what is the future of personal privacy? The thing is, the data what they collect can share my location, where I went, who was with me, how much time I spent with a particular person, a particular place, where did I travel, how did I travel, how fast I traveled. Lots of information can be analyzed and read using this information. So privacy, yes, it's a serious concern. The government would know that I have gone to watch a movie. The government would know that I have gone to a specific beauty parlor. I have gone to a specific shop to buy something. I have gone to a liquor shop to buy some liquor. I have gone to, everything would be known to the government or the person having this data. So it's a serious privacy concern. But let's look into the current situation and try to help the government, or it's like helping ourselves, right? So we have to do that, or now they have made it mandatory, so we have to do that. So guys, if you have installed it, please share your experience. The app is really good actually. I don't find any bugs or anything like that. It's been developed very professionally. Let's use it, let's share, and if I get any alert or anything, I'll share it with you guys. And you also share it if you get any alert that somebody is really infected and is around you, and how did you react, and could you find who that person is. And I think, see, one more very important thing it's going to happen. Suppose I am a person who is not supposed to go out, or I am told to do a quarantine, and by mistake I put my phone in my pocket and go out, I would be caught immediately and they can take legal action immediately. Or I have to smartly do something is keep my phone at home and go wherever I want. That's one possible thing. Or I should disable my location. But that's not the right thing to do. We are trying to come out of a problem. We all have to work together. If I am told that I am a potential threat, I shouldn't go out. That's what I feel. See, we all have to work together. There's no other choice to come out of this. It may take long time. Don't know how long we'll be using Arogya Setu app or similar apps. Whether these are the permanent normals or new normals for us, we need to wait and see. That's all for now. I'll come up with something new very soon. Bye for now. Take care.